In this video, we listed the 10 best CONSTRUCTIONTOOLS for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Self-Leveling Cement Tool Kit. The Self-Leveling Cement Tool Kit is a comprehensive set of tools designed specifically for floor construction tasks, including epoxy flooring applications. This kit includes a roller with spiked shoes and a stainless steel scraper with a roller needle length of 28 mm, which is ideal for spreading and leveling self-leveling cement or epoxy coatings on floors. The spiked shoes are worn by the user to walk over wet cement or epoxy surfaces without leaving marks, while the scraper and roller ensure a smooth and even finish. This kit is particularly useful in tasks like floor renovation, garage resurfacing, and basement flooring where precise leveling and a high-quality finish are crucial. It's compatible with both residential and commercial projects. Durable materials such as stainless steel make these tools reliable for long-term use, and the ergonomic design aids in efficient, professional-level application. This kit would complement other specialized tools like woodworking or construction accessories, making it an essential for anyone involved in floor finishing and repair work. Product 2. Product name: 4-in-1 Roller Stand. The 4-in-1 Roller Stand is a versatile and essential tool for woodworking tasks, providing stability and support for various cutting and handling operations. This roller stand is designed with a 440 pounds load capacity, making it ideal for supporting heavy materials during sawing, planing, or routing. The stand incorporates four functional configurations: a traditional roller for smooth feeding of materials, sawhorses for added support, V-shaped rollers for securing round or regular-shaped materials, and multidirectional rollers that allow for easy movement in any direction. The stand is adjustable in height, ranging from 33 inches to 50 inches, providing flexibility to suit different workspaces and user preferences. Its folding design ensures ease of transport and storage, making it a practical addition to both home workshops and professional environments. The inclusion of an outfeed roller adds further convenience, particularly when working with longer pieces of wood, enhancing overall efficiency and safety during woodworking projects. Product 3. Product name: DeWalt 20V MAX Cordless Drill. The DeWalt 20V MAX Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Power Tool Combo Kit, DCK240C2, is a versatile and powerful solution for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. It features two essential tools: a cordless drill driver and an impact driver, both powered by DeWalt's 20V MAX lithium-ion battery system. The kit includes two batteries and a charger, ensuring continuous operation without frequent recharging interruptions. Key features: cordless drill driver. Equipped with a high-performance motor that delivers up to 300 unit watts out, UWO, it is ideal for a variety of drilling and fastening tasks. The drill features a compact design, making it suitable for use in tight spaces. It also comes with a 1/2-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck for improved bit gripping strength. Impact driver. The impact driver is designed for high-torque applications, offering 1,400 inch-pounds of torque. With its quick-release 1/4-inch hex chuck, users can easily switch bits, making it ideal for driving screws or working with fasteners. Its lightweight and ergonomic design reduce user fatigue during extended usage. Product 4. Product name: Rockler Material Mate Panel Cart. The Rockler Material Mate Panel Cart is an essential mobile workstation designed for woodworking and DIY enthusiasts. This versatile cart features a rigid steel frame construction that ensures durability and stability while handling various materials. Equipped with smooth rolling 4-inch casters, the cart provides excellent mobility, making it easy to transport heavy panels and tools around the workshop. Ideal for organizing woodworking tools and accessories, the Material Mate Panel Cart acts as both a panel cart and a mobile workbench. Its thoughtful design accommodates large sheets of material, allowing for efficient cutting, sanding, or assembly. The cart's ability to serve multiple functions helps maximize workspace efficiency, particularly in smaller shops where every square foot counts. Whether you're working on a woodworking project at home or in a professional setting, the Rockler Material Mate Panel Cart enhances productivity and convenience, making it a valuable addition to any workshop setup. Product 5. Product name for DeCompact 16-line laser level. The 4DeCompact 16-line laser level self-leveling is a versatile tool designed for construction, picture hanging, and other precision-based tasks. This model features for X 360-degree green cross-line lasers, providing 16 lines of projection for enhanced accuracy and coverage across both horizontal and vertical planes. This makes it particularly useful in construction, where aligning walls, floors, and ceilings is crucial. The use of green laser beams improves visibility, especially in well-lit environments, as green is typically easier to see compared to red laser lines. The device comes equipped with two 5200 mAh Type-C rechargeable batteries, offering extended usage without frequent recharging. The inclusion of a remote control adds convenience, allowing users to operate the laser level from a distance, which is especially helpful for solo workers managing multiple tasks. This self-leveling feature ensures that the laser remains accurate even on uneven surfaces, adjusting automatically to minor shifts in the base. Overall, this tool is well suited for professionals in construction and DIY enthusiasts looking for a reliable and efficient leveling device. Product 6. Product name XtrePower US 6.0 horsepower Gas Plate Compactor. The XtrePower US 6.0 horsepower Gas Plate Compactor is a robust, high-performance machine designed for heavy-duty construction tasks such as soil compaction, concrete tampering, and paving. With a powerful 208 cubic centimeters engine generating 4,500 pounds of compaction force, it is suitable for a range of construction and landscaping projects, including driveways, patios, and walkways. Key features include a 23.6 by 17.3-inch plate, which ensures a broad coverage area for efficient work, and the gas-powered engine, which provides the necessary strength for both residential and commercial projects. Its 6.0 horsepower engine delivers ample power, making it ideal for compacting various materials, from gravel and soil to asphalt. The machine is also designed with ease of use in mind, featuring ergonomically designed controls that enhance user comfort during prolonged use. This compactor would be a valuable addition for users involved in construction or DIY home improvement projects, complementing other tools like electric chainsaws or portable workbenches in maintaining property or preparing surfaces. It's an essential tool for ensuring stable, even surfaces in preparation for foundations or paving installations. Product 7. Product name Welkin 22 Pockets Leather Tool Belt. The Welkin 22 Pockets Leather Tool Belt is designed for professional carpenters and framers who need a durable and well-organized system to carry their tools. Made from high-quality buffalo leather, this tool belt is built for strength, durability, and long-lasting performance in demanding job environments. Its 22 pockets offer ample storage space, providing easy access to a wide variety of tools essential for carpentry work. The belt is designed with the framer's needs in mind, ensuring that hammers, nails, levels, and measuring tapes are always within reach. This tool belt caters specifically to professionals who appreciate the sturdiness of leather and need a reliable way to transport their tools while on the move. The multiple pouches ensure that everything from small hand tools to larger equipment can be stored safely, minimizing the risk of misplacing or damaging tools during use. The belt's ergonomic design ensures comfort, even during extended wear, making it an ideal choice for long workdays. The Welkin 22 Pockets Leather Tool Belt reflects the user's interest in high-quality, specialized tools and equipment for household and professional tasks, much like their past preferences for items such as portable work tables, professional soldering irons, and chainsaws. This tool belt is a premium choice for those who seek functionality combined with a classic, leather-crafted look for both professional and hobbyist carpentry projects. Product 8. Product name Rexbetti Knee Pads for Work. The Rexbetti knee pads for work are designed for heavy-duty tasks and provide optimal comfort and protection. These construction gel knee pads feature a durable design, incorporating soft gel and high-density foam for cushioning and support during strenuous activities like flooring, cleaning, and gardening. With their anti-slip surface, these knee pads ensure stability on various surfaces, making them ideal for both indoor and outdoor work environments. The knee pads come equipped with strong stretchable straps that keep them securely in place, allowing for ease of movement without slipping. They are built to endure tough conditions, whether for professional construction work or DIY home projects. REXBETI's design prioritizes comfort, ensuring that long hours of kneeling don't result in discomfort, making them a practical addition to your work gear collection. These knee pads would be a complementary tool for various hands-on projects, just as you might use other specialized equipment like your cordless tools or gardening saws. Similar to how you might seek heavy-duty and ergonomic solutions for specific tasks, the REXBETI knee pads offer reliable protection while maintaining comfort for extended wear. Product 9. Product name Blat Trim Puller. The Blat Trim Puller is a specialized removal multi-tool designed for efficient and damage-free removal of trim, baseboards, molding, siding, and flooring during remodeling or commercial work. Its ergonomic design ensures ease of use, while its wide, angled blade distributes force evenly to prevent surface damage, making it ideal for precise removal tasks. This tool is built to withstand heavy-duty use in professional settings and provides a versatile solution for workers involved in demolition or remodeling projects. It fits into the user's general interest in construction and DIY tools, aligning with items like the Works WX066 Sidekick Folding Work Table, the Frozen Sonic Saber Cutter, and Deli Electric Chainsaw, tools that emphasize practicality, durability, and efficiency for both household and commercial applications. Product 10. Product name Calculated Industries Construction Master Pro. The Calculated Industries 4065 Construction Master Pro is an advanced construction math calculator designed for professionals in the building and renovation industry, such as contractors, estimators, framers, remodelers, and carpenters. This tool simplifies complex calculations related to construction projects by providing quick and accurate solutions for various tasks, including measuring lengths, calculating areas, and determining material quantities. Key features of the Construction Master Pro include its ability to handle feet-inch fraction calculations, making it particularly useful for projects that require precise measurements. The calculator is equipped with functions to perform volume calculations, rafter lengths, and roof area calculations, which are essential for framing and roofing tasks. Its user-friendly interface ensures that professionals can efficiently navigate through their various functions without extensive training.